Hi everyone! As a professional music producer, I always love to try new headphones, and I recently bought these EKSA E1000 headphones as a gift for my friend's son, who is an avid gamer and recently got into music production as well. Let's unbox it together, see what it looks like, and then I'll test it and let you know what I think. First off, I really love that it comes in a pouch. It's the small things. According to the specs, the sound creates an immersive gaming experience, so I'm sure my friend's son is going to be very happy. And I absolutely love the futuristic look with the LEDs that's gonna match his room that's full of LED lights. And off the bat, it seems very well made. The details are great. We'll see about the durability, but it seems that the construction is great. So let's plug them and see what they look like with the LED on. And as you can see, they look absolutely beautiful once plugged in. As I was saying, the quality seems good. The cushion on the ears is great. I'm gonna wear them and test them for a little while, and then I'll let you know what I think. I'm not much of a gamer, but I took the time to try them, producing music, also listening to my reference records, and here are my thoughts. I think that these EKSA E1000 headphones offer exceptional value for the money. The combination of an excellent sound quality, stylish design, and gaming features make these headphones a fantastic choice for anyone seeking an all-in-one solution for their audio needs. It's rare to find a set of headphones that caters so well to both music production and gaming at such a low price. Now let's be realistic, these are not professional headphones, but they are great value for the money, and they will make a great gift for a kid that loves to game or somebody that's just getting in music production and wants something stylish and budget priced. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.